Today we got this '02 Highlander, which has got a pretty messed up bumper. We're going to be doing a little bit of body work up here, a lot of little scratches and dings and stuff like that. And we're going to kind of walk you guys through the process of this bumper repair. Now, in all honesty, I know a lot of bumper guys are probably looking at this like, wow, that bumper is gone. It's honestly cheaper just to go ahead and repair it as opposed to spending, you know, the $300 or $400 to go ahead and replace it. We did get the self-adhesion body patch. So these, basically you pop this on the back of any existing hole that you want to patch, and then you go ahead and you slide your filler over top of it, sand it out smooth, and pow, the hole's filled. I am actually going to take our Speedokote car wash concentrate, and this is going to remove any grub or grime or anything on the back of this bumper that would allow that patch not to stick. Spray some of this on here. Already got the bumper reattached. We got the patch in and we got the adhesive promoter applied. So now we're going to go ahead and apply our first coat of body filler. The first coat of filler came out really good. I mean, not terrible. We still have a little bit of low spot there where the patch is. All right, we have came a long way. But this bodywork actually came out exceptional. So that wraps it up for this Highlander. Came out a lot better than expected, especially with this giant hole here. You really honestly can't tell that the body work was done. It looks really, really good. This goes to show you when you have the right products, even in your garage, you can get professional results.